sense of smell, the dogs would sniff out the bird, freeze on the spot, and point with
You don't like that dog? What's the matter,
I
Abby?
don't like that dog.
This is the sitting stance from which they get their name.
Well, what's wrong with that doggy?
These days, the breed competes in simulated hunting contests called field trials, at which Mom
Get out of
Duchess is an expert.
Get the dog. Get the dog, Abby.
But though she can track down a bird,
Get
Duchess
the dog,
will
Abby.
never harm one. This pacifist is less into bird hunting
He doesn't
and
like that
more
dog,
into
did
bird
he?
watching.
No, she didn't like that doggy at all.
Pigeon loft and the
Check
backyard.
it out, Angel.
But right now, Mom
Oh, look
Duchess
at the
has a new
puppies.
cause for her attention. Her snowy white
What's going on, guys? Hey,
stay white for
behave. Lucky's the only one being good over there. Look at Lucky Dog chewing on his bone. Oh,
He's rather special.
he's protecting his
Most
bone.
English setter puppies start to develop markings when they're older, usually around 3 weeks. And Othello's not just ahead of the curve with his
Susan
color.
Slayer, head over there and watch TV.
Even with eyes and ears still closed, already he's using his nose to